So I am unboxing my first order from Thrive Market. So let's see what I got. This is a subscription service, and I signed up for the free trial. I can't say if I'll be ordering again, it depends, but I needed some household items and some snacks. They separated the household items from the snacks. Take a quick look. You can see how well it's packed. I think they did a really good job. Just really packing everything and separating it with the cardboard. And my free welcome gift, Healthy Living Made Easy cookbook, and a free bottle of olive oil. My entire purchase was about $60 something, so I'm all stocked up on snacks for now. Again, I can't say if I will continue the subscription, but I like what I got so far, and you guys give me some feedback. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.